Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A letter of authorization is a document that allows you to act on behalf of another person, business, or organization to pick up mail or apply for postal services. You can get a copy at your local post office, or you can get one online.
Take our lead.
Write the recipient's name and address next. Leave one blank line between the date and first part of the recipient's name and address. The receiver's information should be in the same format as your information. Keep in mind that the recipient is not the same as the one authorized to make decisions for you.
Take our lead.
Letter asking for agency. Letter asking for agency. This letter asking for agency should be written in the letterpad of the company. From the sender's name, door number and street's name, to addressee's name, designation. Note: this is a typical letter. Related links.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.